I'm out here getting some morning garden work in, and I like taking some short martial arts breaks while I'm doing all of my chores and all that all around. And I figured today I'm going to work on some double nunchucks, or what we call Tabak Toyok in Filipino martial arts. If you do not have a couple pair of nunchucks, I have some links down in the description below where you can go and check out an assortment of nunchucks you can purchase. And I would highly recommend, if this is your first time working with two nunchucks, I highly recommend ordering a couple pair of foam nunchucks, so that way you can work the techniques, build the confidence, and then you can always move on and progress to the wood ones or metal ones, whatever you prefer. So do me a quick favor, if you like the Tabak Toyok or the nunchucks, hit the thumbs up button right now. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's go over some basic moves that you can get started right now, today, on training your double nunchucks. All right, move number one, this is gonna be our vertical strikes. We're gonna start this up right here in our chamber position. We're gonna strike them down, strike them up, just like this. All right. There's a couple ways you can do this. Number one is we can kill the weapon just like this. Boom, at the bottom we kill it. Or we can rebound it off of the hips. Or we can catch them under the armpits. All right, so when you're working this out, your vertical strikes, work all three of those. Number one, work on killing it. Number two is the rebounds off the hips. And number three is the catch. Technique number two is our horizontals. So when we're striking our horizontals, we're coming across just like this. Okay, we want one chuck higher and one chuck lower than the other. So right now my right hand's on top. Practice it just like this, get a few reps in, then switch it with your left hand on top. Then you can alternate right and left. Okay, now notice that both of my chains are up. You can also work this for extra coordination. Have the bottom hand chained down, just like this. All right, and then switch it. That's technique number two. Our third technique, we're gonna start right here in our chamber position, and we're gonna shoot out the right hand and then shoot out the left hand, just like this. So we're gonna shoot it straight out, shoot it straight out. Right and left, right and left. Then you can also do them at the same time. Double chucks, technique number four. We're gonna swing it out and then bring it back in. Swing it out and bring it back in. We call this one our backhand jab. We're gonna jab it out, bring it back in. Jab it out, bring it in. Alternate, right, left, right, left, right, left. Technique number five, this is our chain strikes. We're gonna start off with both chucks on the right side of our body. We're gonna strike it down, and then the right one we're gonna strike around and down just like that. It's gonna bring us to the left side of our body. Strike it down, and then the left one comes all the way back down. And once you get these going and you get the momentum going, now you have your chain strikes. It's just continuous strikes. Make sure to click the link down below. Go check out some different nunchucks. Grab your favorite pairs. You can order them over at my good friends over at karatemart.com. They got a great assortment of nunchucks. Again, begin this practice with foam ones, so invest in a pair of foam ones. Then, after you get these techniques down, after you've mastered them, move on to the wooden ones or some metal ones, whichever other pair that you like. Thanks so much for taking the time to train with me this morning, and I'll catch you guys back here next time for some more collie training, collie fun.